Hi folks, it's Reed Tobel, Rivers West Auction and Auction Time. We're in Dickinson, North Dakota. Here is a Caterpillar 950K wheel loader. Just about 9,700 hours is what it's showing. We're going to do a walk around here. Really good looking loader here in Dickinson that we're going to offer. A little over a 4-yard bucket. Does have another cutting edge for this bucket. This one here's getting down pretty wore. As you can see, it's been hard surfaced and stuff. I mean, it's in a gravel yard, guys, so you're gonna have that. I don't see any leaks, nothing screaming red flag at me in that sense. Brand spanking new tires. These are 23.5 R25 tires. You can hear this machine running. I didn't see any cracks or chips in the glass. It's all in order. As I'll show you, we'll go up in the cab. Does have a backup camera, obviously. It's just really clean. It works in good conditions here for what it is. Not abused. Just one of these machines that you would feel confident coming in and buying. Maintenance is done to a T on them. Definitely no neglect with this company. Make sure you look at all the pictures, guys, and all the videos. We're going to try to do a real good job here, just showing you everything. It's in Dickinson, North Dakota. It's a Caterpillar 950K wheel loader, 9,700 hours. And thank you for viewing this Rivers West auction listing.